can't believe we're doing this again. Last time. I don't want to see my pussy. Okay.
Dude, guys, say something probably really scary.
Shut up.
There's no light. My dick. The light for dick.
Smells like piss.
I know.
So much freaking mosquitoes. It's damn annoying. I wish they would just die. Just kidding. You are pathetic.
Yes.
Pick it up. I will kick you. I will kick you. Bloody.
Oh,
Is my flashlight off?
it turned off.
Well done. I think you just broke my damn...
I actually tripped off.
I know, you tripped twice like a pathetic bastard.
He was just doing it, man. It's the sound, like the song going up. Yeah, but why would I hit the ground hard as hell? Freaking got my back way. Search.
You tripped and you're you're being...
Search party.
What?
Search party.
What do you mean search buddy?
Search party.
We go and search for it?
Yeah.
Let's go get it then.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Don't be pussies. Come on. Come by my side. That ruined a perfectly good mood.
Let go! Douchebag. Come on. Oh, stupid garbage. Don't trip on us. What's your right there?
Okay, come on, Alice.
Did you hear that?
Yes, that was a dog howling.
Yeah, man.
Okay, come on.
Trip on.